To customize lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26, all you have to do is just to open the settings. Now you will have to open wallpaper and style, and now click on the lock screen and take a look how many things we can actually change here. You will be surprised. So first of all, we get a clock. We need tap on it. We can change its style, for example, like this one. We can also change its font. You have to remember that changing font is not available for every style. So you have to pick this one that will allows you to actually customize a font. So font style, thin or bold font. We can also change its size by dragging like this. So we can make it bigger or smaller, or for example, we can change its position, but only into this part of the screen. We cannot put it, for example, over here for some reason. But as you can see, you can resize this clock easily. Now, when you tap on it one more time, we can also change its color, or we can match the wallpaper color. So this is a very important thing that I want to mention. And we can also find multiple colors. Now we can show or hide the weather information and date above a clock. So it will look like this. Over here, you can add widgets. So we can add to 4 widgets, and it will allow you to quickly open some kind of the applications. For example, you can add camera shortcut, or you can add, for example, the conversation mode. Now, at the bottom, we can find shortcuts. So over here, these are not widgets, these are shortcuts also for specific features or applications. If you want to quickly turn on the flashlight from the lock screen, you can do this. Or for example, if you want to quickly create a note, you can also do this. Or you can, for example, turn off those shortcuts if you are not using them. And as you can see, I've got a video wallpaper that you can also set up. So over here, you can also change wallpaper by clicking here. Now you will be redirected into the wallpapers, and you can use default wallpapers, or you can use your own wallpapers by going here. So now you can select any wallpaper, video wallpaper that you have, and it will be just simply on your lock screen. And after you make everything, it's important to click down in the right upper corner to apply those changes.